Hi friends, are you ready for some alphabet adventures? Today we are learning say T and U.
This is the letter S.
Says, like a wiggly snake.
Can you say sass?
Says is for sun. Says is for snake. Says is for star. And says is for spoon.
Super.
Next is the letter T.
T says T like a ticking clock. T-T-T-ta! T is for tiger.
T is for tree. T is for train.
And T is for tomato. Terrific. And here is the letter U.
U says like opening an umbrella.
P.
U is for umbrella.
U is for unicorn. A U is for up.
And U is for under. Unbelievable.
You did it. You learned sass T and U.
You are an alphabet superstar.
See you next time for more fun.